Hi all. So this is the solar charger V2 that I'm working on. So all these components have been localized. That in the sense that I've gone to local shops and tried to get replacement parts for the passives. And this is the LTC4002 IC. So that's the heart of your charger. You have the NTC thermistor that senses the temperature of the battery, yeah, and accordingly modulates. The LTC4002 modulates the charging rate towards to the lithium-ion batteries. So lithium-ion batteries are typically like this guy. So it's a 3.7 volt typical lithium-ion battery. 18657. Okay, so today I'm just gonna do some finishing touches. It's almost done. I'm just soldering the um, AMC 7135. These are the constant current LED drivers. They've been widely used in torches and perfect for a single cell lithium ion charging applications, and so that the brightness of the LEDs is constant. So each one can output about 350 milliamps. So I'm connecting two of them in parallel so that we get around 600 milliamps, and that's about 600.6 into 4. It's about 3 watts, around 2.7 watts, and it's bright enough to, for some hiking or camping applications. So this is kind of, I'm trying to build a low cost camping lighting solution in essence. So yep, let's go back to soldering. So this is, I'm using TS100, gifted by my dear friends, Mithwains, and I'm just gonna solder it. Okay, yeah. So hope you're able to see overhead camera. I've already soldered this guy. Just trying to solder this guy, trying to keep a steady hand over here. There you go. So I'm just first. This is the ground. This is the ground. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it out. Apply soldering in. Return. Oh. I'm just trying to align it. Yeah, I think it's aligned. I'm just gonna put some pressure, and I'm gonna tap the other two uh, terminals as well, so that those are also. I'm just gonna put some flux in. Flux helps us in better solders, joints, and all. Just tap that. I'm just gonna tap this guy also. So I'm just gonna take that off, and usually this ground terminal also serves as what is called as the heat sink, whatever heat sink. 350 milliamps is not a lot of current, but hey, heat management is a thing. So yeah, so this is one of them. Similarly, I'm gonna do another one. Just want to take out. I've got a supply of these from Sunrom Electronics, and yeah. So this is the third one. I'm just gonna, and there's also a fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are two ports basically. Oops, just fell down. Just gonna take some lead, fresh lead, and getting this guy. Oh, yeah, it's pretty, it's fun stuff. Oh, it keeps falling. Let me adjust this hand over so that it's straight, right? And let me put that over here. Yes, it's perfect. And so this hand, the third hand, is very useful again to when you hear the only solo guy soldering. Just gonna touch sketch, and I use KiCad for the layout, so that it is and I've deliberately increased. So this is a SOT89 package. Usually it's very small, but for hand soldering, this is a nightmare. So I've deliberately increased the size of the footprint so that I'm able to hand solder comfortably. Need some flux for better joints. Yeah, I think it's better. I'm gonna dip the solder in flux so that I'm just gonna tap it. Usually, yeah, it's good. Oh, I've accidentally started it, but hey, it's got up now. So I'm gonna also check again whether there are any shorts. This is a handy multimeter I've got from my local store, and I'm just gonna see the shorting. So hey, this is short intentionally, but these are not. Just want to see. Yeah, not shorted. Just seeing. And it's gonna be really hard, so be very, very careful when just gonna see. Yeah, don't want it to be short. No, I don't see why deliberately. No. Nope, I don't see it short. So the third hand, the beautiful thing is you can just turn it around like that. Voila, you have kind of the flipped version of the board. So now, so there's another one. I've deliberately shorted it. I'm just taking the short out. Just take the short out, just because I just wanted to test it initially, whether it's working. The circuit is working, thankfully. So I'm just gonna add another. So this is gonna be 6 watts each. So about 12 watt. Pretty decent. 12 watt is a pretty decent. And in the market, 12 watts come around 600 rupees. That's to an AC LED. So with this one, you are powering it up from a lithium-ion battery, and it uses solar, so it's also environmentally friendly. So that's something to think about. Okay, so I put it back here, up. Let's put it turned around. Use my this guy. Hopefully you're able to see this properly. There you go. I think this is better. Just gonna use a little bit of flux. Flux always seems to get the job done a little bit better, but in the hindsight, it emits a bit of a smoke, which is usually not really good in the long term. Hey, I've already one out. So I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Oh, again. There you go. Just gonna tap it to melt the solder. Hopefully, yeah. Oh, it's pretty sloppy. Trying to get a little bit. Yeah, I'm just trying to get. Yeah. Also, always limit the amount of down further very hard so that it becomes really good. This is very good technique. Just press down that. Now I'm just gonna tap the other two leads so that they get the continuous kind of a thing. Though I've shorted all of them. Shit, everything came out. So things happen like that, but not to worry. The board is able to take the heat, basically. Taking things out. Don't want the IC to be internally shorted like this. You see, it's internally shorted. Usually that's bad. But let me take that out for just a little bit of touch is all you need. Again, so take it pretty slowly. I'm gonna pin it down, or no, just gonna take it like this, and oh, it's a nightmare now. See, that's why I intentionally increased the. There you go. Oh. Okay. Much better. Much better. I'm just gonna press it down a bit. There you go. The center ground is pretty much there. Now I'm gonna do the rest of the legs again. A little bit of solder. Always the first time is the best. Okay, so this is one. It's two. So yeah. So not very neat, but hey, does the job. Okay, and you can use ethanol to clean this up. If you have sanitizer, that also works pretty good. And so thanks for joining me, and hope to see you. Oh, okay. So let me see the shot here. Hopefully it's not shorted internally. Nope, I don't see. Just show you the screen over here. It is not short. This is a shot. Can you hear it? Yes, hopefully. But none of these are short, so it's fine.